Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Shop2shop machine on a level bench and connecting power. This prevents calibration drift and electrical faults. Once powered, you sign in with your operator ID so operations are tracked. Make sure to load the correct consumables, cartridges, labels, or reels, because misloads cause jams. Next, check the network LED and firmware. Failing firmware updates can block features. If prompted, run the quick auto-calibrate routine, now so sensors read correctly before any transfers. You select the transfer profile that matches the item. Size, speed, and temperature settings matter for consistent results. After that, scan the source barcode and then the destination shop code so routing is accurate. Once counts and quantity are confirmed, choose a dry run or low-speed test on one unit. This prevents mass errors. While the test runs, watch for misfeeds, alignment drift, or label peel issues if anything looks off. Pause and retention the transport mechanism before proceeding. You start the full batch, but keep a close eye on the first 10 units to catch defects early. Once consistent, you can increase throughput safely. Make sure to record the transfer batch ID and print or send confirmation receipts so inventory updates reconcile. If a problem occurs, stop immediately. Clear any jams, rerun the calibration routine, and receipt consumables. Network hiccups require resyncing the job. Finally, verify destination confirmations before closing the job to ensure transfer completion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.